If you've ever felt guilty biting into a delicious sandwich or a tasty pasta dish, you're not alone. The fear of carbs, also known as carbophobia, has surged in popularity, causing many individuals to shy away from carbohydrates altogether. But is this fear justified, or are we misunderstanding carbs entirely? In this informative video, our professional dietitian uncovers the truth behind carb fear, separating fact from fiction, and explains why carbohydrates are essential for a balanced, healthy lifestyle. What exactly are carbs? Carbohydrates are one of three major macronutrients, alongside fats and proteins, that your body needs to function properly. They serve as the body's primary source of energy, fueling vital processes like brain function, muscle activity, and digestion. Carbs are found in various foods, from grains and vegetables to fruits, legumes, nuts, seeds, and even dairy products. The origins of carb fear. Carb fear became widespread with popular low-carb diets such as Atkins and keto. These diets claim quick weight loss results by significantly reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing protein and fat consumption. While they can initially help people lose weight rapidly, the long-term sustainability and health impacts of these diets raise legitimate concerns. Myths about carbs. Busted. Let's debunk some of the most common carb myths to ease your carb anxiety. Myth 1. Carbs make you gain weight. The truth. Excess calories, regardless of the source, can lead to weight gain, not specifically carbs. Whole food carbs like whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables can actually aid in weight management by providing essential fiber and nutrients. Myth 2. All carbs are created equal. The truth. Carbs come in various forms, complex and simple. Complex carbs, like sweet potatoes, oats, quinoa, beans, provide sustained energy, essential nutrients, and fiber. Simple carbs, like refined sugars and processed pastries, often lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar. It's all about choosing wisely. Myth 3. Cutting out carbs is healthy. The truth. Completely eliminating carbs can lead to nutritional deficiencies, fatigue, mood swings, and impaired cognitive function. Carbs are crucial for maintaining energy levels, brain function, and overall well-being. Why your body needs carbs. Understanding the role carbs play in the body can help overcome fears surrounding them. Carbs. 1. Provide immediate energy for your muscles and brain. 2. Help maintain healthy gut bacteria through prebiotic fibers like acacia fiber. 3. Support healthy digestion and promote feelings of fullness. 4. Contribute to stable mood and cognitive clarity by supporting balanced blood sugar levels. Not all carbs are created equal. Simple versus complex. Understanding the difference can make all the difference in your diet choices. Simple carbs. 1. Quickly digested and can spike blood sugar. 2. Found in candies, sugary beverages, refined pastries, and white bread. Complex carbs. 1. Digested slowly, providing sustained energy and satiety. 2. Found in whole grains, vegetables, legumes, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Focus more on complex carbohydrates for optimal health and energy management. Smart carb choices for optimal health. To overcome carb fear and optimize your nutrition, include these health-promoting carbohydrate options regularly in your diet. 1. Whole grains, brown rice, whole wheat pasta, oats, barley, quinoa. 2. Legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. 3. Starchy vegetables, sweet potatoes, carrots, squash. 4. Fiber-rich fruits, apples, berries, pears, bananas. 5. Seeds and nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds, walnuts. 6. Prebiotic fiber supplements, quality options like acacia fiber to improve gut health and digestion. Tips to incorporate carbs wisely into your diet. Here's how you can integrate carbs healthily and sustainably. 1. Balance your plate. Ensure every meal includes complex carbs, lean protein, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. 2. Portion control. Keep an eye on your serving sizes. 2. Excess calories from any nutrient can cause weight gain. 3. Prioritize fiber. Opt for fiber-rich carbs to enhance satiety, improve gut health, and support blood sugar control. 4. Moderation with simple carbs. Enjoy sweets or refined carbs occasionally and mindfully, not as your daily staples. A balanced diet is key. Instead of demonizing an entire food group, embracing moderation, balance, and variety is key. Carbs should not be feared. They should be understood. When consumed mindfully and wisely, carbohydrates fuel your body and mind, enhancing your overall well-being. When to consult a professional dietitian. If you find yourself confused or overwhelmed by dietary choices, a professional dietitian can provide tailored guidance and dietary strategies to help you achieve your health goals while embracing carbs confidently and healthily. Final thoughts. Free yourself from carb fear. Carbs are not your enemy, misinformation is. With the right knowledge and balanced approach, carbohydrates can enrich your diet, enhance your health, and support a happier, healthier life. Understanding the difference between helpful and harmful carbs and embracing a balanced approach is your key to dietary freedom and long-term wellness. Ready to embrace carbohydrates as part of a healthy lifestyle? Share your experiences or ask any questions below. Our experts are here to guide you toward your best nutritional choices.